The all-new KTM 125 and 390 SMC-R for 2025. And MG Biketec has the perfect parts to match. All products are CNC machined from high-strength aluminum made in Austria and covered by a lifetime warranty. Let's start with the MG Biketec license plate holder, designed specifically for the new SMC-R models. It features integrated indicator mounts that allow you to install the original KTM turn signals without any modifications to the fairing. Equipped with a reflector and ECE approval, it's built for a clean, street-legal finish that fits the bike perfectly. The Supermoto Mirror set is CNC machined from aluminum, fully anodized in black, laser engraved with the MG Biketec logo, and ECE approved for road use. We also offer M10 mirror plugs in black, the perfect way to cleanly close unused mirror mounts on the handlebar. Now let's move to the small but essential details that complete the look. Our oil filler plug with pre-drilled safety wire hole, our reservoir covers for perfect sealing and premium design, swingarm spools with model-specific bolts, handlebar weights designed for direct installation on the original KTM handlebar, and the generator cover screws, all CNC machined, anodized in a variety of colors and built for durability and precision. Every part is engineered with one goal: to give your KTM SMC-R the performance, style, and quality it deserves. MG Biketec, precision made in Austria. Check out our CNC parts for other bikes too.